So today we have a M4 2017 competition pack, and it's coming in for Evolve Stage 2 package, which consists of our catless downpipes and our Stage 2 map. The car is also going to have the GTS DCT and other software upgrades like the differential and the steering. The car's already been fitted with our Eventuri intake, and also we're going to fit an Awron gauge. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the product, it's essentially a digital display that fits in the vent and is controlled through the steering wheel, and it has lots of cool data to display like the air intake, boost, and it also can control the exhaust valves as well. So if you want the car quiet, you can with just a touch of a button. So we'll get on with installing the parts, and then we'll show you the Awron in more detail afterwards. So now the parts are installed, and so is the Awron gauge, so we're going to run you through the features of that now. It's a very cool little gadget. It fits in the air vent, so essentially you replace the whole air vent here. It's got a digital display which displays a variety of different parameters from the ECU, which includes boost, water temperature, oil, and you cycle through the functions on the steering wheel like so. So it's got max G values, the maximum values, oil pressure, rail pressure, boost pressure, engine temps, intake temps, exhaust temperatures, and it's giving the live readings as well. And you can configure these to show different things. It's got the AFR as well. You can also do some timings. I wouldn't say they're that accurate compared to like a V-Box or Draggy, but it kind of gives you an indication, because obviously this doesn't take into consideration any slope. And you can also display like a live power graph as you're going along as well. But obviously this is not a replacement for a proper dyno, but just to give you an indication. So this also has the ability to control the exhaust valves using the res button on the steering wheel. So that's auto, which is default that the car has from factory anyway. Push it once and that's flap closed if you want it quiet, and then that's open if you want it open all the time. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of our videos, you can watch them over here. If you want to watch what YouTube suggests that you might like from our videos, you can watch them over here. As always, if you haven't already, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any questions for us, please drop them in the comments below and we will do our best to answer them for you.